Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI. Check out these cute little compact binoculars from Occer. They are adorable, perfect for traveling. I love that it comes with a strap that you can just put around your neck. So if you're traveling, walking around, you don't have to be carrying them in your hand. You can just put them around your neck and you can be hands-free. And also it comes with these little lens protectors. So while you're traveling, you won't scratch up your lenses. They also come with a little carrying case, which keeps them nice and safe. You can use this when taking it to concerts, traveling, sightseeing, or if you even go hunting. These are waterproof, so nothing is going to happen to them if they get wet. You can use them for bird watching. So many different ways to use these small binoculars. So if you're in the market for the perfect traveling binoculars for concerts, sightseeing, bird watching, anything you want, definitely check out these binoculars from Occer. You won't be disappointed, and that's my point of view.